what's going on YouTube? Today we are checking out the Google Pixel 7 Pro. This is the 7 Pro right here. You can see it has very nice finish and it is very shiny. I like that camera module on the back. It's more of a aluminum frame on there now. Looks pretty good. Hand wise, weight wise, I feel like it's almost identical to the Pixel 6 Pro. Viewing angles look real nice. You can see on here, this is the demo mode. So it's in demo mode. Meet the Pixel 7 Pro. Check it out there. It looks pretty nice. Kind of difficult to do one-handed. I'm recording with my iPhone, by the way. And the camera, you can see here, looks real nice. Let me try that zoom. I heard the zoom was supposed to be pretty good now and seamless. Before, I remember when I would do the zoom, you would actually see it switch cameras. It would you would see the lenses switch and it would hiccup and stutter while I was doing that, but now it seems a little bit better. Well, a whole lot better. And let me see here. Go to the video portion of it. Let me see if I can record something. So this is 20 times zoom, I believe, on the video portion of it. I'm at Best Buy, if I didn't mention it already. But the zoom capabilities are definitely improved on here. Check that out. That looks real good. The lighting in the store is actually very bright, so that probably helps out too. But I would imagine if you were outdoors or outdoor lighting, it would be even more spectacular. But check that out. Very nice, very nice. We'll dig into the cameras a little bit more. Here's the video. I'm recording in video here, 1080p 30. We'll dig into the cameras when I receive my Google Pixel 7 Pro, which should be this Wednesday, hopefully. But let's check out, I want to see all the apps that are pre-installed. So this is all pre-installed before anything is actually connected to the internet. So let's check out the storage. So you can see here, system alone takes up 13 gigabytes out of 128. So this is the 128 model, and the apps alone take up 1.4 gigabytes. So these are all the pre-installed apps we have here, all of them. Got the camera, the calculator, but all the essentials from Google are in here. You can see there 1.4 gigabytes of apps pre-installed and 13 gigabytes for a total of, what is it, 13, 14. And then we see that this is unique because it says SIM slot 1, SIM slot 2. I was expecting more of an IMEI, like SIM 1, and then, not IMEI, but eSIM. SIM 1 and then eSIM 2. But here, it just shows IMEI 1, SIM 1, SIM slot 1, SIM slot 2. So I'm a little confused there. I thought it was a physical SIM and an eSIM. So this probably has dual SIM support, physical SIMs. And you can see the build number there a little bit, Android 13. Here's the camera. It is, one thing I did notice is that the camera array or module, whatever you want to call it, the edges are very sharp. Yeah, the edges are pretty sharp here. You'll see it when you have it in hand. They're very sharp. I did notice that. To me, the Pixel 6 Pro was had a little bit more rounded. They weren't as sharp. You could really feel the edges on this one. There's the price, $899. So the price stayed the same as the Pixel 6 Pro. And here is the Pixel 7 right here. So this is the 7. You can see here it's a little bit more. It's also shiny, and the finish on the camera module there is more of a matte finish, which resembles all the way around the frame of the Pixel 7. So size wise, you can see here, let me see if I line them up perfectly. There is like I don't know what that button is on top. I'm guessing that's a little cutout for the 5G antenna, but I didn't see it on the 7. I didn't see that on the 7, so I'm not sure. So there's the height right there. It's about a 1/4 inch smaller than the Pixel 7 Pro, but I definitely like the finish on the Pixel 7. The buttons are very tactile, and I think the camera module on the back looks very nice. On this one, you can see it's like a glossy finish all the way around the phone, so even around the edges is the same color as the camera module. But yeah, these are very nice. I like both of them. They move pretty easily here, and we could compare maybe the specs. I think they're both identical except for the size, and I believe the screen. I believe the Pixel 6 Pro has the 6.7, and the Pixel 7 has 6.4 or 6.2. I can't remember. Let's check them out right here. The display 6.7, and then over here we have a 6.3. Okay, 6.3. So you can see this one has 6.7, a little bit higher resolution. And then we have 8 gigabytes of RAM. And then on the 7 we have 8 gigabytes of RAM, and on the 7 Pro we have 12 gigs. Same processor on both. We got the Tensor G2 on both. The rear cameras are the same also, 550 megapixels and then the 12 megapixels, except the 7 Pro has an extra camera, extra 48 megapixel. And the front cameras they look like they're the same, 10.8 megapixels. Yep, same processor, same camera, except we're missing one camera on the Pixel 7 compared to the 7 Pro, which has that extra the 48 megapixel, and then the RAM is the same, 120 hertz. Over here we got 90 hertz on the Pixel 7. They're both OLED panels. So yeah, man, pretty good stuff here, man. Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. Let's see how much storage this comes with before we install anything on here. Out of the box, it's taking up 15 gigabytes on both devices out of the box. So if you got the 128, make sure you take that into consideration. You're going to be missing out on about 15 gigs of storage. 13 is the OS, and then I believe 1.4 is going to be the pre-installed app. So once you start installing apps on here, it's going to take up a little bit more of your storage. So take that into consideration if you're looking at the 128 gig. I would personally get the 256, but there's the camera modules. I definitely prefer the more matte finish on the Pixel 7 compared to the 7 Pro. But yeah, man, they're beautiful devices. I like that gray color option. They don't have them here today, so I can't really show them off. They only got this black color one. But you can see the Pixel 7 is missing one lens on the rear camera. But yeah, man, Google Pixel 7 hands-on. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about these beautiful devices.